This is the Unicam SC 62.5 125 Multimode Fiber Connector. This Multimode Fiber Connector makes field testing fiber fast and easy. Using the high-performance Unicam toolkit, connections can be made in as little as 45 seconds. The epoxy-free termination can be done on almost any job site. Unicam's precise manufacturing process ensures a best-in-class optical performance with low intersection loss around 0.1 dB and 0.5 maximum dB per connector. The ceramic ferrules are chip and crack resistant, providing a smoother finish than polymer ferrules. Each connector comes with a connector housing, snap-on clip, and strain relief boots for 900 micron, 2.0, 1.6, and 2.9 mm fiber. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.